Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view two Word documents side by side, or how to open up two Word documents at the same time. So this should be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So let's say we want to open up document 1 and document 2, and we want to view them both on half the screen. Go ahead and open up document 1, and you can just go ahead and drag it over to the right side of the screen. You want to right click on the Word icon in the taskbar and select where it says Word. Go ahead and left click on that. And now you can go ahead and create another Word document, or you can go open that other Word document that's on our desktop. So if I went over and browsed from my desktop, it might be in the Documents folder in your case, but go ahead and open up whatever your document 2 is, and then just take the top bar and just drag it over using your left mouse cursor and just release pressure and hit it on the side of the screen, basically. And then you'll have two documents side by side here. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.